We are sorry that the 11:13 London North Western Railway service to Crewe is delayed. Please listen for further announcements. London North Western Railway apologises for the disruption to your journey today. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 11:12 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Calling it London Euston only. This train is formed of 9 coaches. You can find the shop in Coach C for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class coaches can be found at the front of the train. Standard can be found at the rear. We are sorry that the 11:13 London North Western Railway service to Crewe is delayed by approximately 13 minutes. London North Western Railway apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. The next bus to arrive at the opposite side of the road, outside the station front, on the left-hand side, will be the 11:22 West Midlands Railway service to Stone Granville Square. Calling it Barlaston Orchard Place and Stone Granville Square. We regret that some vehicles may not be able to convey large or heavy items of luggage, non-folding bicycles or buggies. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 11:26 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Calling it Stone, Stafford, Wolverhampton and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class accommodation is in the centre of the train. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 11:13 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Calling it Kidsgrove, Alsager and Crewe. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class accommodation is in the centre of the train. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 11:25 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling it Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 11 coaches. You can find the shop in Coach C for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class coaches can be found at the rear of the train. Standard can be found at the front. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 11:33 East Midlands Railway service to Derby. Calling it Longton, Blythe Bridge, Uttoxeter, Tutbury and Hatton and Derby. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Change at Derby for services to Nottingham. Platform 2 for the 11:34 East Midlands Railway service to Crewe. Calling it Longport, Kidsgrove and Crewe. This train is formed of 2 coaches. The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 11:44 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling it Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 11:50 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Calling it Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. This train is formed of 11 coaches. You can find the shop in Coach C for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class coaches can be found at the front of the train. Standard can be found at the rear. Platform 2 for the 11:48 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Platform 3 for the 11:56 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Kidsgrove, Congleton, Macclesfield, Prestbury, Adlington, Cheshire, Poynton, Bramall, Julieu, Stockport, Heaton Chapel and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:08 cross-country service to Bournemouth via Birmingham New Street, calling at Stafford, Wolverhampton, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Oxford, Reading, Basingstoke, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central and Bournemouth. This train is formed of 9 coaches.
This is a passenger safety announcements. Can passengers please stand behind the yellow line on the platform at all times? Customers are reminded that train doors will close 40 seconds prior to departure. After this time, do not attempt to board any train. Please follow any safety instructions given by station staff. Thank you.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:12 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at London Euston only. This train is formed of 9 coaches. You can find the shop in Coach C for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class coaches can be found at the front of the train. Standard can be found at the rear. Please listen for further announcements.